in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Allen County, Ohio, southeastern Paulding County, Ohio, southwestern Putnam County, Ohio, northeastern Van Wert County, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Van Wert and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: headache size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ottoville around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Delphos around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Wetzel, Middle Point, Fort Jennings, Rushmore, Gomer, and Dreimer. This storm is producing destructive wind and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Paulding and Van Wert. The National